Throughout this presentation, we will be presenting information on Citigroup Incorporated's 3-year overview. This overview spans from November of 2016 to November of 2019. This presentation is being presented by Danae Licatino and Taylor Rogers. In this presentation, we will introduce the company and explain some of its history. We will review Citigroup Incorporated stock performance from November of 2016 to November of 2019. We will discuss Citigroup's financial position in the economy in the United States of America and in the world. And at the end, we will assess whether Citigroup Incorporated is worth investing in as a stockholder.
Citigroup Incorporated was formed on June 16, 1812. The City Bank of New York came to life, and all of the hard work and determination put in by the architects of the institution finally paid off. They operate through 3 different segments, and those are Global Consumer Banking, Institutional Client Group, and Corporate and Other. During the time period of 1812 to 1814, the United States and Britain were at war, and after the war, Citibank was rewarded for helping finance the U.S. government. Citibank approached the top market share in several markets. By 1824, Citibank suffered a great fall in its share value. It was failing so bad that a merchant stepped in to reconstruct the bank. The only reason that it did not fail was because the suspension of gold and silver payments by the banks. Citibank approached the top market share in several markets, and in 2019, Citigroup celebrated 207th anniversary. Citi Institutional Clients Group is devoted to being the best banking partner for their clients. They have a unique position where they are able to take advantage of the ever-changing global trends and provide a wide array of integrated products and services to multinational corporations, public sector entities, ultra-high net worth households, and investment managers. These services include fixed income and equity sales and trading, prime brokerage, equity and fixed income research, foreign exchange, derivative services, investment banking, corporate lending, private banking, trade finance, and cash management. Their cash management and trade solution services are provided to 90% of global Fortune 500 companies. Citi also helps building sustainable infrastructures, which include housing, transportation, schools, and etc. The Global Consumer Banking segment provides traditional banking services to retail customers through retail banking, such as commercial banking, Citi branded cards, and Citi retail services.
Following just behind JP Morgan Chase & Company and Bank of America Corporation, Citigroup is one of the leading companies of the United States banking industry. With $1.96 trillion of assets, over 200 million customers, and business in over 160 countries, it is no surprise that Citi is a leader in its industry. As of September of 2019, there are over 2.18 billion outstanding shares of Citigroup, adding up to a value of $127 billion worth of stocks. The banking industry is the spearhead of the United States of America's economy. This meaning that Citigroup Incorporated and other large banking companies are very important to the economic health and growth of the United States. During the financial crisis of 2008, the government increased taxes as a way to save Citigroup and others from failing. This demonstrates the importance Citi holds in the United States economy. Having this substantial company collapse would have resulted in an abundance of people losing jobs and money, which could have sent the United States economy into further turmoil. Consequently, taxes were raised, billions of dollars were fed into Citigroup, and Citi regained its standing in the United States economy. Over the last 3 months, from September 2019 to November 2019, Citigroup Incorporated stock has seen an increase in its price as shown in the figures to the side. They started this period at the lower end of the $66 range, and they gradually increased to the $75 range. Citigroup Incorporated had a peak in early November, reaching just over $76, and their lowest point was at the beginning of this 3-month period that was observed and recorded. The lowest point was $63.42, which is almost $20 more than the lowest price calculated over the past 3 years. The average price calculated during these 3 months of September to November of 2019 was $71.26, whereas the median price between November 2016 and November 2019 was $66.69. This conveys that Citigroup Incorporated stock is improving and that it is becoming more valuable to invest in. Citigroup Incorporated's mission is to serve as a trusted partner to all clients by providing financial services that enable growth and economic progress. They produced a goal at their Investor Day back in 2017, and the entire year of 2018 was brimming with steady and meaningful progress towards achieving their well-laid-out goal. To be able to succeed, Citigroup Incorporated would have to use their scale and technology to enhance their capabilities while lowering their costs to serve clients. They also optimized their capital base, which included returning all capital above what they needed to prudently operate and invest in their firm. Finally, they would continue to focus on their controls and risk management to ensure Citi is an indisputably strong and stable institution. All of these actions supported their strategy and contributed to their business performance in the year 2018. Citigroup Incorporated released an annual report in the year 2018 to show its shareholders the progress between the years of 2016 and 2018. The $18 billion of net income they had earned was 14% higher than in 2017. Their earnings per share increased 25% to $6.65 per share, and they continue to make progress on their efficiency ratio. Their total net revenue from the year 2018 was $72.9 billion. Citi's assets totaled to $1,917 billion, with their total payout ratio being 109%. In this summary image to the side, the numbers represent millions and billions. Upon looking at this, one can infer from the information that Citigroup Incorporated has increased their numbers in some areas and decreased in others. The year of 2018 conveys some steady improvement for Citigroup, and 2019 will probably continue to show this improvement. The 2019 annual summary has yet to be released by Citigroup Incorporated.
Is Citigroup Incorporated a valuable investment, or would it be best to put money elsewhere? Citigroup offers a variety of opportunities, and they take pride in their diverse employee base and management levels. After carefully evaluating the past 3 years of Citi's stock performance and company growth, it would be safe to say that becoming a shareholder in this sizable establishment could prove to be beneficial. Considering the size, age, and roots planted by Citigroup, one can conclude that it has a strong enough footing to continue to appease its clients and shareholders for many years to come. Citigroup Incorporated is a stock worth buying.